is Tiana Bragg with Corian Design, and today I'm introducing Corian Endura, a high-performance porcelain. But first, let's take a look at the Corian Design portfolio, and then I'll introduce Corian Endura and how it complements our existing Corian Design architectural design materials and solutions. The Corian Design portfolio, which now includes Corian Endura, consists of Corian Solid Surface, quartz, and solutions designed with Corian Solid Surface. Corian Solid Surface, made from acrylic resin and minerals, is sustainable and green, offering a wide selection of modern aesthetics. It's thermoformable, meaning you can shape it, and that's important for your specifications, like, for example, a cove backsplash. It can be backlit, and it can be integrated into sinks and lavs seamlessly. Corian is non-porous, ultra-hygienic, repairable, and now available in wide sheet and select colors. Corian Quartz offers on-trend complex aesthetics and veining. It's very durable, heat, scratch, and stain resistant. Corian Quartz is not porous, with patterns that run throughout the material. So this through-body feature allows for beautiful decorative edges and details. Corian Design has partnered with some amazing solid surface solution providers. MR Walls, offering bespoke, seamless, decorative walls that replace tile or stone. Future Solutions, provider of modular solid surface furnishings, which include head walls, modular casework, Parsons tables, occasional tables, and Privacy Plus Partitions, your one-stop shop for patented zero sightline toilet partitions, including full height and louvered options. So, what exactly is Corian Endura? Corian Endura is a premium, high-performance porcelain made from a recipe of natural minerals and cutting-edge technology. Compressed together under extreme pressure and then heated at a high temperature in a similar way as to how nature forges a diamond. This innovative material is a densely packed mass characterized by its durability and beauty. Be it vertical or horizontal, for interiors or outdoors, kitchen countertops or feature walls, the style and design of any residential or commercial project can be finely customized without compromise. Corian Endura provides a creative versatility, both in terms of texture and color, as the various designs offered potentially suit any kind of style. So let's take a closer look at Corian Endura's characteristics, aesthetics, and the portfolio and finishes at a glance. This high-performance porcelain, Endura, it offers top-of-the-line durability with superior resistance to heat, scratches, and stains, and it's UV resistant. So thanks to its solid structure, it's able to withstand constant wear and tear while maintaining its exquisite composition and color. This surface solution is ideally suited to meet the exacting demands of modern residential kitchens and high-traffic spaces, the focal point of family life, and the creative hub for professional chefs. So let's run a quick demo. Let's see how Corian Endura stands up given its ultimate durability as far as heat resistance, scratch resistance, and its non-porous and easy to clean surface characteristics. The color range for Corian Endura is composed of a collection of tones and patterns, that pair seamlessly with a variety of interior moods. And there are 4 collections: the marbles, cements, metals, and monochromatics. Let's start with the marbles. You've got the luminous sheen of cool marble, which is paired with a dramatic background full of rich texture and elaborate veining that blends modern refinement and stylish classicalism. Ancient marble conjures up the spirit of a classic Carrara stone with its restrained pattern that recreates the subtle texture in muted shades of soft gray and off-white. Punctuated by pronounced veining, the earthy gray-black tones of smoky marble elicit a striking naturalness and strength. And the subtle variegated lines and midnight dark hues evoke the raw essence of stone. Powerful and intense, black marquise creates a monumentum to beauty. Taking a look at the cements, the muted tones of alabaster cement are infused with a smooth, translucent quality that pays homage to the allure of classically sculpted stone, while the cloudy off-white aesthetics of cinder cement projects a cool, ethereal atmosphere. And inspired by industrial design, urban cement has a smoky light gray pattern that imbues the material with an airy lightness and modern grace. Taking a look at the metals, deep metal masterfully reproduces the effects of natural oxidation to create a rich chromatic composition marked by a cosmic brown-gray pattern. And rustica metal, set off by the chromatic palette of rusty reds and browns, the weathered patina of rustica metal produces a surface composition made of fluid effects. And last but not least, the monochromatics. Clean, crisp, and minimal, diamond white has purity, and it has a timelessness that enhances a space with a bright take on classic and modern aesthetics. Bold yet informal, pitch black is a cool monochromatic tone that projects understated sophistication together with an elegant simplicity. So Corian Endura is designed to complement the aesthetics of Corian solid surface and Corian quartz. Corian Endura is offered in 2 finishes, varied by aesthetic: satin, which is beautiful for any work surface or environment. The satin finish has a light sheen with low reflectance that delivers a color-enhancing richness for which all of the Corian Endura aesthetics are available, except for urban cement and ancient marble, which have a mineral finish. Mineral finish is a finely textured surface, which gives the mineral finish a natural look that is earthy and slightly less honed. Corian Endura slabs measure 126 by 63 inches and are now available in 12 and 20 millimeter thickness. You can specify with confidence, given the 25-year residential product warranty and 10-year commercial product warranty. So on behalf of myself, Tiana Bragg, our distribution partners, and our quality craftsmen fabricators, it is an absolute pleasure to help make your space. Feel free to reach out to me directly for your sample and your specification support. And to learn more about Corian Endura and Corian Design, visit corianendura.com, coriandesign.com, and corian.com, or visit us on Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Again, Tiana Bragg signing out, and it's a pleasure to help you make your space.